Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to another person on Apple Cash. Firstly, open the Wallet app and then tap the Apple Cash card. You need now to initiate the payment, so tap Send or Receive. Enter the recipient's name, email or phone number. Next, all you have to do is type the amount you want to send. When you're done, tap Next and then on Send. All you have to do now is double press the side button and use Face ID, Touch ID or PIN to confirm. Also, there is an alternative method to send money easily, which is using Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, send amount to recipient, confirm and authenticate as instructed." And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.